I'm super excited today to launch my new cookbook. It's called the Ultimate Low Carb Konjac Rice and Noodle Cookbook. Now, most of you know I've been working on this for some time. So, yes, it's finally ready after months of slaving in my kitchen. Okay. Now, why I'm excited is because I'm sharing with you something that I have been personally consuming for over 5 years. Konjac rice and noodles are actually my savior because I have not felt deprived of my favorite food for the first time while living low carb. In the past, it was a roller coaster for me trying, to live low carb because where I live, we have abundant street food, hawker food, coffee shops that offers cheap and delicious food. So I always felt deprived. I always felt sad when I am deprived of such food while trying to live low carb. So that was why it was a roller coaster ride for me. But ever since discovering konjac rice and noodles, there was no stopping me from enjoying my favorite food while still trying to live low carb. Okay, now even when I travel, I bring them along so that I can still enjoy the food. Now, there are three categories of recipes in this cookbook. Okay, number one is rice and congee or porridge. Okay, number two, noodles, and number three is pasta. Okay, now each category has 20 recipes, so there's a total of 60 recipes. But at the last minute, I added one bonus recipe, so it actually becomes 61 recipes in total. All right. Now, the recipes involve both Asian and Western cooking, and you can find a list of all the recipes in the description box. Okay. Now, there's also a comprehensive tip and tutorial section where you will learn about what is konjac, the types of konjac noodles available, how to prepare konjac rice and noodles properly, so which is the utmost important thing to do. Number four, tips on how to make them softer, and a lot of other relevant tutorial. Okay, so let's take a brief look at the book. Now, this cookbook is currently available as an ebook or digital book via payhip.com. Okay, the link to purchase is in the description box. Now, as a way to save money, there are various bundles which I developed, and they are available via payhip.com. So do check them out. All right. Now, as for Kindle, paperback, and hardcover formats via Amazon.com, I will be working on it after this. And once it's available, I will keep you informed. Okay. So, once again, I look forward to your support, and please help me to share this around. Thanks for watching.